In this video, I will show you how to start your bracket tournament. Once you've created and customized your bracket, it's time to start the tournament. But please note that after starting the tournament, certain features in the bracket cannot be changed. Changing the tournament type, adding or removing participants, changing the order of games, and accepting join requests. Ensure all these aspects are covered before you start the tournament. To begin, click on the Start Tournament button located at the top left corner of the editor. A dialog window will appear. Click the button within it to start the tournament. And that's it. Now, let's address two common issues you might face when starting a tournament. For a voting bracket, you might receive a message indicating that one of the rounds is missing a start or end date. Voting brackets require specific dates for each round. To fix this, go to the voting section and enter the start and end dates for each round. After this, you're ready to start your voting tournament. In the case of a prediction bracket, you may encounter a message stating that the start and end dates need to be filled in. Prediction brackets require setting the period during which users can submit their predictions. To resolve this, head to the prediction section and input the start and end dates. Following this, you can begin your prediction tournament. And that's it. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!